Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then opening the workspace so you can act immediately. Once done, install or verify the DevTools Pro version and load the project's entry file with source maps so errors map to real code. Make sure live reload is enabled and breakpoint defaults are set. This saves time later. You'll see why. Early mapping and live feedback let you iterate fast, catch regressions, and avoid chasing phantom bugs. Now you move into detailed execution. Inspect elements and tweak CSS live to test layout changes. This shows immediate visual results. Then profile CPU and memory while reproducing the issue. Record a 30 to 60 second trace to capture peaks. Next, switch to network, replay requests, and modify headers to simulate conditions. These steps let you compare before versus after, find hotspots, and validate fixes without deploying, so you iterate confidently and quickly. Finally, apply the fix and run unit tests plus a quick end-to-end check to confirm behavior. Once green, commit with a descriptive message and push the branch for review. Include the trace snippet as evidence. If things go wrong, first clear the browser cache and disable extensions, then rerun the profiler trace. This often exposes hidden caching or extension interference. If the issue persists, compare traces side by side and annotate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.